Hello, and welcome to another update on Ethereum. Well, what a performance today. One of the winners today. In this video, we want to take a look at the daily chart first. Then I will also take a look at the ETHBTC chart, and we take a look at the shorter time frames. Yeah. So I want to start on the daily chart just to show you here no change at the moment to the overall updates and analysis. We can still track this white scenario for higher prices. As you might know, a move to the upside in an A wave can be a 3-wave move. It can also be a 5-wave pattern. We never know that in advance. Usually an A wave is a 3-wave pattern, but it certainly becomes more interesting from a long trade point of view if we get 5 waves up and then the next pullback is a clear correction. With a 3-wave move up, we can also watch for higher prices, but we have to rely more on context and also have to really pay attention to whether the chart can find a higher low in the wave B. It's probable. Let's say the probabilities are not going to be as clearly bullish as in the white scenario. Yeah. If the white wave A gets 5 waves, I mean that would give us some clarity. If the wave A gets only 3 waves, we just don't have that clarity. All right, but we can still watch for higher prices because Bitcoin has formed 5 waves up. So we're overall still leaning towards the bullish scenario. Now, it is still important to understand here that on the Ethereum daily chart, the structure has problems. It is only a diagonal pattern, wave 1, wave 2, wave 3, wave 4, wave 5. This is one scenario in which the wave 5 could extend, however, because this looks a bit like an expanding diagonal pattern. Another scenario I shared with you before, but I do not believe it, is that this entire structure here is wave 1, wave 2, A, B, C in wave 3, and then a wave 4, wave 5. So that this is actually a wave 3 still, which could explain the rapid upside move. But for now, both counts are pretty much going in the same direction anyway. Yeah. What I'm saying is if that A wave to the upside forms 5 waves, it is more clearly bullish. So I would say let's also take a look at the ETHBTC chart. Already a few days ago, I explained to you that we might see at least a temporary turnaround here to the upside on the ETHBTC chart. That hasn't changed. So the local trend is up from that April low. It's the 21st of April low. And all we need to do at this point is just adjust support. Now, it's still pushing. It is still only a 3-wave move up, a little bit like on the USD chart, so ETH USD. We want to see a 5-wave move up for a more directly bullish scenario. For now, this is a 3-wave move up, and while it is pushing higher, it has only just now reached resistance, and the move to the upside is not enough to confirm a long-term trend reversal to the upside. It would minimally take a break above 0.039 for that. For now, I'm looking for higher, but I'm considering that this could be only a corrective rally in this wave 4 bounce. So from this B wave top in 2021, we have a wave 1, we have a wave 2, wave 3, wave 4, with potentially one more low to come in wave 5. Thanks so much for watching the videos on this YouTube channel. If you've been thinking about joining MCO as a member, now might be a great time. You can use the link in the video description and apply the discount code right below it. You will get 50% off your first month of our Gold membership, and you can explore everything we offer. It's the easiest way to test the membership, see if it's a good fit for you, and get a feel for the community, join the conversation, and I'm looking forward to meeting you in our member area. So if I go to the 4-hour chart, you see that in more detail. This move to the upside could just be part of that wave 4 bounce, yeah. And that would be an ABC structure. So again, A wave in 3 waves, B wave, C wave. Or if the A wave forms a 5-wave move, which it can, then it would be more clearly bullish. Can still watch for a B and a C, but that also opens the door to more bullish interpretations. But at the moment, we're far away from that. So the focus is on whether in the next sideways consolidation, can we form a healthy fourth wave? It would need to take probably a few days, like actually maybe even a week or two, like the wave 2 did as well. So then the wave 4 should normally have roughly the same duration, but we'll see. For now, the trend is still up short term. The nearest key level is the last swing low at 0.0237. Okay, let's also take a look at the shorter time frame for Ethereum. Here, I've added the yellow scenario today that shows us how a 5-wave move up would look like. Wave 1, wave 2, all of this would be a third, then a 4, 5. This would be this would confirm further a bullish case, because this is basically what the A wave then would look like. Yeah, and the A wave, if the A wave is 5 waves, it's more clearly bullish. For now, I prefer the white scenario, in which the move to the upside from the April low was just an A, B, C structure, and that C wave is likely in the late stages right now, and the C wave is a 5-wave move. And it could have topped already, but as I explained in the last video update today, I just haven't seen enough evidence that a top is in. And it's now pushed nearly to the next level at 2,775. So what I would also like to do, I'll share with you the next upside level, because it can be helpful to just understand what the next level above would be, given that we've now reached nearly the 161.8 extension already at 2,775. If the market continues to push, then 2,911 would be the level above that's relevant. In the very short term, 2,572 to $2,610 is micro support. It's measured based on the distance of that last rally, and it might need another 4-5 pattern just here on the nano level. At this point, a break below 2,572 would be an early indication of a top. And if a break below the dotted line at 2,410 occurs, that would be an even clearer signal. So yeah, that's the update on Ethereum. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.